See guys, today we're going to learn how to remove recent searches on Instagram, and all we have to do is to launch our Instagram application. And through here, let's see, I headed over to my search icon, which is here, and tapped on the search. As you can see, these are the recent searches that I had already had. And if I wanted to remove them, all I have to do is to tap on this X icon, and once you tap on it, it has been removed. And if we wanted to remove the entire search, all we have to do is to head on over back, tap on our profiles, and we're going to tap on the three lines, and we're going to tap on your activity. We're going to scroll down to receive recent searches and to tap on it. From there, we're going to tap on the option to clear. And once to clear all, you won't be able to see any of these recent searches on Instagram. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.